Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am at a local farmers market in our town and I'm looking at some of the flowers that are being sold here, and I met a really nice lady. They have a nursery, they have a farm, flower farm that they grow. It's amazing that in November you can still see some flowers, and all of the flowers that are behind me, they grow it not too far from here. This farmers market is here throughout the year. Of course, when it rains, they're not here. So I wanted to show you the flowers that they have behind me. You can see. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you. So here are some gerbera right here that they grow. That's beautiful. Look at this. And you can see that it has some roses in it and also some sunflowers. So these are red gerbera, sunflower, roses. And these ones over here are pink. It looks like it's a little bit more lighter color. And you can see this one has some hydrangea. This is just amazing. I'm amazed. Here are some more flowers right here. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's another gerbera right there. And it looks like it has some daisy and some roses. And I'm not sure what this is called over here, sorry. But here's some more roses right here. And gerbera. And that there is hydrangea. Beautiful. So here are some more hydrangea. White hydrangea that they have. And these are ferns that you can use to make a bouquet. And look at these sunflowers. Beautiful. Huge sunflowers. Look at this. And then next to the sunflowers are some more hydrangeas. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. And I think these are chrysanthemums right here. Look at the beautiful colors on these flowers. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And here are some baby's breath. And some eucalyptus here, so you can make your own bouquet if you wanted to, mixture. And here's some more chrysanthemum and a whole bunch of gerbera right here. Oh my gosh, beautiful, just gorgeous. So they have some pink ones, white ones, and some cream colored ones right there. And some red ones right here. Beautiful. So here are some roses. Oh, beautiful. Oh, right next to the roses are some white gerbera. Wow. Just beautiful. And then here's some more white roses right here. Oh, it's beautiful. And then they also have some red roses right here. These are just gorgeous. Just beautiful. These are larkspur. And you have the white gerbera right here again. And then you have some more baby's breath. Oh my gosh, this is just gorgeous. Just to kind of show you the farmer's market. Right here, we've got vegetables. And then on the other side of the produce, we have some food booth right here. So here's some more. And then over here, we have some marigolds. Look at that. What is your name? Anna. So this is Anna, and they run the farm. And they've been doing this for a long time. How many years, Anna?
About 40 years.
40 years? Okay. And so they know what they're doing. Look at all these flowers. And this one right here are some vegetables. Look at this purple cauliflower. So you've probably seen white cauliflower. This one is purple. And I'm gonna get some of these broccoli in a minute. But then they have a whole bunch of peppers and onions right here. I think these are cactus fruit. I'm not sure. But we're back to all the produce right here. And then look at these beautiful carrots that they have. Beautiful. And a lot of greens right here. Oh, I could smell the herbs over here. So this one is the produce section. The farm